Hi friends, let us discuss today about man-in-middle attack, which is very insecure against the protocol Diffie-Hellman key exchange. Let Alice would like to share a secret key with Bob, and there is a third person called Death who always try to hack the message sent by Alice and Bob and vice versa. We know as per Diffie-Hellman key exchange, Alice will have a private key XA and she'll generate a public key using this equation XA is alpha power XA mod Q. And similarly, Bob also will have a private key XB and he will generate a public key YB equals alpha power XB mod B. And in between we have a third person called Death. He will assume two private keys XD1 and XD2 to fool or to hack the data which is sent by Alice to Bob or Bob to Alice. He'll generate or he'll assume two private keys XD1 and XD2 and he will generate public keys YD1 and YD2 as per this equation. And XD1 is to communicate between Death and Bob and XD2 is to communicate between Alice and the Death. Let us assume that we have two protocols here. One is between Alice and Death and another is between Death and Bob. Basically, Alice would like to send a message to Bob, but between Death had the data, the message sent by Alice to Bob. So we will have two protocols. One is between Alice and Death, another is from Death to Bob. After generation of public key YA, Alice will send that to Death. Or basically, Alice would like to transmit YA to Bob, but Death is in between. He will hold of it and using the information YA, which is public key of Alice, he will generate a secret key. We will see it later. However, the Death will transmit his public key YD2 to Alice. Using which, Death will generate a secret key K2 is YA power XD2 mod Q, and similarly, Alice will generate a same secret key K2 is YD2 power XA mod Q, and this part of this diagram is Diffie-Hellman key exchange protocol. Similarly, you can see the similar protocol here between Death and Bob, where Death will transmit his private public key YD1 to Bob, and the Bob will transmit his public key to Death, and Bob generates secret key K1 using the public key of Death and private key of Bob like this. And also Death will generate a secret key using the public key of Bob and private key of Death like this. Hence Bob and Death use key K1 for the communication, which is secret among them, and Alice and Death use key K2, which is secret among them. And this sort of hacking or the challenge to Diffie-Hellman key exchange is called man-in-middle attack. The problem here is if Alice would like to send a message, he will encrypt that message using the key K2 and he will transmit. In between, Death receives the data. Since he is having the key 2, he can easily decrypt that and he can find what is the message is. After looking into that message, he can again encrypt using the key K1 and he can transmit that to Bob, where Bob is having the key K1, he can decrypt it. Ultimately, Alice and Bob will not know that there is a person in between called Death, because the message sent by Alice is transmitted to Bob. In second case, a Death can receive a message from Alice. He can change that message using the key K1. He can transmit to Bob. If the message is meaningful, Bob will not know that is hacked. He thinks that Alice has sent that message. So this is called man-in-middle attack.